Hey everyone, we're Alex and Rachel from Romeware. We've recently been travelling around Southeast Asia and we spent 2 nights at the Explorer Resort on Koh Samui in Thailand. We started the day by checking out of our hotel and travelling by private car to the resort on the north side of the island. When we arrived, we received a welcome drink and a cold towel at check-in, and while we waited for our room to be ready, we had a small tour around the resort. The staff were incredibly helpful and we saw the restaurant, the pool and the new workspaces at the resort for digital nomads.
Welcome to our beach pool villa. Okay, so we got this lovely little bedroom space here, and the best part is about this bed one, it's very big. And as someone that's kind of doing some budget traveling right now, the fact that we get 2 pillows each is really great because we've been sleeping on one each and it's not for us. I guess the best part of this whole room obviously is the view, all this glass, and our own private pool, which we haven't had anything like that before, so we're very excited. And we've got perfectly placed palm trees and a view of Koh Phangan across the way, the other island. So we've got the desk area that also has a fantastic view and a little seating space so you can sit there and work. We've got a mini bar, a closet. Our towels are in here, so we've got our own towels for our own pool. We've got a fantastic closet, which I always love a robe. Just the best way to walk around a hotel room, and our own little slippers. And then a lovely bathroom. And you can shower with a view. There's 2 shower heads. I didn't even notice that. That's so cool. Very fun. Okay, so we can each get our own. We each have our own sink. We don't even have to fight over a sink. How great is that? So we just got here. We have lots of ideas of what we want to do within our first few hours, but I think we definitely want to hit the pool. So I think we should change and go enjoy it. What do you say?
So what do you think of everything so far?
It's been really nice. It feels really special, very different from what we were staying in, and it's also interesting how different the water is in different parts of the island. It's so calm here, so that'll be nice to experience, but I think we should order our cocktails. It's very fun. But yeah, the grounds are beautiful. The pool's all really nicely done. I like how big it is. Sometimes you don't think that these pools are very big, but it's not very deep, but it's just enough to swim back and forth. And we'll check out the big pool today, and I think we'll like that too, obviously. But there is just something special about, you can just kind of be yourself and take up all the space and just enjoy it. Jump in the pool. It's very fun. So, no, the room's really beautiful. I think it's all designed very well. Like, the space is really calming. The colors, the very straight lines, and very clean, very neutral kind of tones and stuff. It's really beautiful. So I think that's what makes it nice too. Like, the bedding was really nice. The bed was nice. The placement of the bed in the room and all of that layout is really cool. So I think that those things aren't to be taken for granted, for sure.
On the resort, the hotel also had a stand-up paddleboard and kayak for guests to use. This was exciting because Rachel had never used a paddleboard before, and it was her first time standing up on one.
Something nice in our room. So Faye is in the staff, so let's see what we did. It's Valentine's Day today. Aww, that's so sweet. We've got little rose petals, some Lindor truffles, and a note that says, "You being here is our favorite love story."
On our last day, we had to catch an early flight to the mainland, so we woke up early for breakfast and to take in our last few views of the resort. There was lots of food to choose from, Western breakfast options to more locally inspired food. Rachel got very excited about the bacon, and there was lots of it. Finally, we checked out, hopped into our car and headed back to Koh Samui Airport to continue our travel adventures in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Big thank you to Explorer for collaborating with us on this stay.